Hello WRCC fans, and we're trying something new today. As you can see, it's a walk around of this blue and white 1971 Morris Minor van. It's a little bit different. We're doing it in the workshop. We usually do it in the workshop, and I'm doing it in the showroom today. So as you can see, got all the lovely minors that we've got, some that I've advertised yet. I'll go through them in a minute. But anyway, this one is a 1971 Morris Minor van. Absolutely stunning condition, although the paintwork isn't perfect, and I'll go into that in a second as well. So it's finished in RAC blue with a white roof, silver wide van wheels on it. It has got disc brakes on it, no servo. So if you wanted it, we could put you a servo on it. It drives particularly well. In fact, it drives absolutely lovely. So as you can see, the paintwork's nice. There's a nice shine on it. There you go. It's a lovely colour. Obviously not a Morris Minor colour, but it doesn't matter because commercials could come in primer because you could put your company livery on them. I think it's great. I've got a few ideas of what you could do with it if you weren't going to let it up for your company. So we'll go into that in a minute as well. So RAC blue, white roof. Now, the white roof, this is the next thing. The white roof has got some marks and whatnot on it, some imperfections in the paint. So rather than paint the white roof white, what we've done is we've left it open, so whoever buys the van, if you want this one, we can either paint it white again, or we can paint it blue for you, so then the whole van is the same colour. So that's down to preference of whoever buys it. So let me know which you prefer in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you can. So ideas for the van: if it's got a white roof like that, stick some signage there, RAC signage, which will look pretty cool. Or with being a 1971 van, I would personally, if it were mine, I'd stick British Leyland logo on it, British Leyland parts, and it'd look properly cool and period correct. So there you go. So if you want a blue roof, we'll do it blue. If you want it white, we'll do it white. There you go. So anyway, going round, there's the odd imperfection on the paint. You can probably just see it as we go around, but the paintwork has a lovely shine, and the van is very, very nice. Right, we'll have a look inside. So as you can see, seats are all in good order, really nice. Headlining's really nice. It's showing 42,187 miles. It's an older restoration. It has been fully restored. The underside of it is absolutely lovely. So obviously there's not a lot to report structurally. It's all good. No rust or rot. Underside's nice and clean. Obviously we'll protect it up as with all cars, and give it some added protection for years to come. Now I'm struggling in here because there isn't as much room as in the workshop. So pull the bonnet. It being a later car, as you can see, it's got steering lock on it and the column ignition rather than in the centre there under the clock. Give it some choke because it hasn't been started today. So there we go. So it runs and drives really well. It drives exceptionally well. I'd say cab's nice and clean, 42,000 miles. There you go. So it's nice and clean in the engine bay. Nothing negative report. It's got alternator on it. It's got disc brakes on it. It could do with servo. We'll fit that for you if you wanted it doing. The tyre plates, engine bay flitches, all really good. Nice and clean in the engine bay as you'd expect. Now I'm going to turn it back off again. Now you've heard it running. So we can hear ourselves think, and we will, if you have a look in here, flick that on and turn the interior lights on. So it's got interior lights in the back, as you can see. There you go. So two interior lights so you can see what you're doing. It's got Altro flooring on the floor. for no particular reason. Obviously, just the last keeper decided to do that. It's got insulation on the ceiling there and in the doors just to try keep the drumming down. I mean, obviously you could insulate it all out, but the back body's all in really good order. The wheel tubs and that are all in good order, and as you can see, that helps with the lights. Really nice and clean. It's a nice cool touch that actually that you can put them lights on in the back. You could use it for camping or whatnot if you were that way inclined. Doors are all in really good order. Don't know whether I've already mentioned, but there's only 5 previous keepers on it, so it's a really nice clean van. Runs and drives really well. Like I say, it drives exceptionally well. The paintwork has got imperfections, as it says. I'm just going to turn them lights off. And you've obviously got the, I don't know if you can see it, the oil pressure temperature gauge there as well. So, yep, it's on at 17,650. So if you're interested, give us a call on 0422 881221. Ask for Dan in sales. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk or bob in and see us at the Minor Centre, Halifax, HX63LD, Holmes Road. And we've been more than happy to show you around it. Also, just a little quick one, just to keep you up to date what we've got. We've got this maroon 4-door. That's an exceptionally good car. Somebody's just dropped a load of wheels upstairs. We've got this Trafalgar Blue convertible. That's nice and cheap, 10.5 grand if you wanted. And then we've got the white 4-door. None of those being advertised. The white 4-door's on at 10. That's on at 10.5. And I think that's at about 12.5. So there you go. And then that's all the rest of the stock. Obviously the Jags there you've already seen. And Kylie's Million is over there in the background, which is the coolest car we've got probably. So thanks guys. Be quick because it won't be around for long.